Hey everybody, welcome to snowy Upper West Side. Here we're looking at 72nd Street and we're looking at the world famous Dakota. Of course, sadly famous for what happened here in the tragic loss of John Lennon, but really this building in general is fantastic. It was the first residential apartment building on the Upper West Side. It finished in 1884. And in addition to John Lennon and Yoko Ono, who still lives here, it's famous for many celebrities who lived here. For example, we have John Madden, we have Rudolf Nureyev, Leonard Bernstein, Lauren Bacall, and if you guys remember, Maury Povich and then Connie Chung, who the two of them are married, and they still live here, I believe. And many others, the names of whom I cannot recall at the moment. It figures in a wonderful book called Time and Again by Jack Finney, and that's a great time travel mystery story, and the Dakota plays a big part in this story. So I highly recommend that book for anybody who's interested in a good story and also a description of the New York City in the 1960s. So I'm crossing Central Park West now towards Central Park, and could it be any more beautiful? I don't know. If you come here in the spring, it's pretty darn gorgeous. You come here in the fall, it's amazing. So what's great about the park is that it's really fantastic in all seasons, but I don't know, a snowfall like this where the snow remains on the trees, hasn't been blown off yet, it's kind of hard to beat. So I'm approaching the area that has become Strawberry Fields, and before the 1980s, it was really just an open meadow. But after we lost John Lennon, Yoko Ono, and in concert with the Parks Department, donated a lot of money and had this landscape in honor of John's loss. And a wonderful landscape designer who people have no idea about unless they take my Pride in the Park tour is a landscape designer named Bruce Kelly. Really worked a lot in getting the landscape design together for this area. You can't see it now because the benches are covered, but one of these benches here does have a plaque honoring Bruce Kelly's work here, not only in Strawberry Fields, but down in the Bethesda Terrace area and also in the Ramble, very highly. Bruce Kelly was a Frederick Olmsted acolyte, so he knew a lot about the way Olmsted wanted to design landscapes. Of course, no visit to Strawberry Fields would be complete without a visit to the Imagine mosaic here, designed by artists in Italy and donated. It's really lovely and quite peaceful here right now in the snow. Making a snowman, yay! There's something about the white snow on the dark trees is just magical. The snow is highlighting the contours of the trunks and the branches and the limbs. Just wonderful, just wonderful. It's so peaceful in here right now. So seriously, I don't know, what do you say about Central Park that hasn't been said already? Probably not much, except how lucky we New Yorkers are to have it and to share it with any visitors who would like to come here. And one day, when it is safe after the pandemic is under control, and we're getting there, I think, people will come back and enjoy this park that was meant for everyone. Democratic Park. There's a Dakota behind the trees. Paying respects and taking photographs. And one last look at strawberry fields, which also happens to be a wonderful bird watching area, by the way, if anybody's interested in nature. So enjoy the winter, friends, and I hope to be back with you soon. Have a good one. Be safe.